What we have here today is a 2011 Mustang GT, and unfortunately, a deer walked out in front of him. So, as you can see, we're beginning the blueprint process here on the vehicle. Be replacing the fender, the hood. As you can see, it's got a lot of stress marks in it. What we're going to end up doing with this is likely replacing it because of the stress marks. Actually, it damaged the inside here. As you can see, we have it noted. So the inner structure as well as the skin is actually damaged. Got into the radiator support down here, as you can see, so we'll likely be replacing that. And kind of an odd hit. These deer, you never know how it's going to happen. Looks like it hit on that side of the vehicle, rolled across the hood, and then flipped up. Somehow did not damage the windshield, which I have no idea why it doesn't even have a crack in it. But it did damage the aperture panel here, and then looks like it landed on the roof before it finished rolling off. Managed to knock the mirror off the vehicle, but it did not damage any of the paint underneath it. It just kind of like hurricane damaged vehicles. Just interesting on how this all played out. We'll come back over to the front bumper here. As you can see, it does have some mild scuffs along here, and a little bit of damage on the front there, probably where the initial impact was to the leg. So we'll be likely repairing this, as minor as it is. And some people have asked about this bar across from the strut tower side to side. Basically what it does is it stabilizes the strut towers under heavy load of racing, cornering, things of that nature. So you'll see this on a lot of muscle cars, hot rods and such, but it just adds additional strength to the front end of the vehicle and keeps it from rolling and folding in on itself. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you can follow us on our journey with all these unique, amazing vehicles that we're working on. Thanks for watching.